Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today in this video, I will be sharing 5 amazing and beautiful designs for book labels. Yes, let's begin. First, you have to go to canva.com and then you have to sign up if you didn't make an account. I already signed in. Let's go to the custom design in order to select the size. The width will be 5, the height will be 3, and you have to select inches in units. Once you are done selecting all this, then go to the Create New Design button. Now you will be having a white page to design. Let's start from the scratch. What I need to design a text box where we can write name and whatever the text we must write for a book label. We need a text box for that. So go to the elements. First of all, you have to go to the shape or simply write down shape in the search bar for elements. Then you will be finding out different shapes here. I need a square with a rounded corner. I will add this one. Let's drag the shape and let's do it on one side of the label like this. I'm going to change the color of it. Later I will be fixing it. It's not fixed, but I will do it according to the elements that I will add. So now what I need, go back to the elements and search for line. We need to give some lines so that we can write name, subject, whatever is required. This line is a little broader. I will go here in line settings and I will reduce the line weight. I think 2 is fine. So we need to make it a little bigger and then adjust it like this. Once you are done, then you have to copy paste, at least add 4 lines to add the information or details. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You can set the alignments once you are done, and then you have to copy paste. Not copy paste, just do something that all of these lines will look beautiful and it will look aligned together inside the text box. And remember that the space between the lines must be equal. Okay, this is done. The text box is ready. Now let's start the designing of the book. Label. Go to the elements and now go here and search for school. The first color I'm going to set for the background is select it, go to the background color. Let me add a yellow color. I love yellow color, but not this bright yellow. I will go here in the plus sign and I will reduce the solid color and make it a light yellowish. This looks fine. For this, what I will do, I will change my text box color to white. I don't want gray. White will look beautiful and also you can easily see whatever is written on the lines. Now let's add the elements. Go here and search for school elements and you have to go to the graphics because you can find beautiful graphics on Canva for school elements. Okay, let's find something with yellow color. Let's go down, down and down and let's see if what we can have to add in my label. We can go down and it can be a book. Look at this one. This is a nice character to add in your book label. It's a bee with a book that gives us an idea of studying. Here we can add a character. Now I need some tiny kind of things to add up the creativity and to add up. Look at this clips. This looks nice, the paper clips, and they are colorful. We can add some tiny kind of elements like this that adds up the beauty of the labels. Then we can have some writing kind of thing, a pencil or color kind of. Look at this pencil. This is just beautiful. We can add this cute pencil on one side, make it a little smaller so that this element looks bigger and brighter. So this is my first label design. Let's move forward. You can just rotate it a little and then make it a little bigger. Halas. It's done. Let's duplicate the page. And on this page, I will be deleting all the elements. And first, I have to fix my color. So go here to the background color. This time I will select a blue color, but not that bright. I will reduce it. Yeah, this is fine. Now I will go to the elements, and I like this school bag. So I'm going to add the school bag on one side. This is the main element that I have added. Let's add some more tiny elements to make it beautiful. Look at these paper clips. This is nice. We can add it on one side. And then it's all about your creativity, how you can design the beautiful labels, how it's like this. These crayons are just beautiful and they are matching your theme as well. You can put it on one side. So yes, this looks beautiful, and make the bag a little bigger so it will look prominent. And if you want, you can make this text box a little bigger and then adjust all of the lines in the middle. Yes, this is how we can do that. You can do the same changes in all of your labels. Okay, this is my second design. Let's go forward, duplicate it. This time I'm going to delete all of these elements and I need a different color. So you go here, select a green color. Green color looks beautiful, not a bright green color. Again, I'm going to the plus sign and I'm reducing its. Look at this. It looks nice. Now go back to the elements and find out some more elements related to school. Go to the search bar, write down school and search for something with green or maybe dark green. We can go down, down, down. You can see these books. These books look really beautiful. It's a really nice elements. You can put it over there like this. And then you can have some more designs. Or if you go in see all, you can see this pencil. You can put the pencil on one side like this. And you can rotate the pencil so it looks like it's writing something on the paper. And one more kind of thing I can add something like a, okay, this looks nice. These are kind of different shapes that adds up the creativity of your book label. So yes, this is it. Now let's move forward. Let's duplicate the page and then delete the elements. Let's add, change the color of your label. And this time I need something with pink color, but I go here and I reduce the pink color, solid color. Then we have to go back to the elements and search for something pink or maybe purple or dark pink, the color that goes nice with this pink. Okay, I think these books looks beautiful, and they due to this red color apple and red color book, this is something that can go with this book label. Okay, let's add up some tiny things the way we are adding. So these paper clips, these are nice, or if you go to more options, you can add up these looks beautiful. Yeah, it is little lighter and it is going with the theme. Oh, it is not much visible, so we can add up these ones, paper clips on one side, and then you can add something like shapes if you want, if it's related to math, or you can add up some shapes down. So like this, we can do one more design, or if you want something, some design like this only, or yeah, some kind of lines. These lines also look beautiful. So we can just have these kind of lines on our pages, or this is how we can design things. Now we are done with our 4 pages. Let's duplicate. Let's change the color of the background. Canva is such an amazing and creative tool, and it is as quick as you want. Yes. Now green is done, pink is done, blue is done. Let's go for something orange, but not that much orange. Let's make it a little lighter orange. Yes, this looks, it needs to be bright but light. Yes, it's fine. Now let's go back to the elements and go to the schools and see more elements that can go with these. Okay, now I need to find something with orange. It's better to select your background first so that it will be easier to find the elements. Okay, let's find out something with orange. Well, the school bus also looks beautiful. Look at this school bus. Yes, this is what we can add. And for this element, I need to move my text box over here because the direction of the element is towards right. So like this you can do, but the color, background color needs to be changed a little. That can go with the school bus. It is again going a little yellow color. Okay, that's fine. Now go back. For a school bus, you can add a sun, a cute sun, because it can give you a theme of going to school. Okay, here we go. This is cute. We can add up on one side. And this is how your label will look like. And then this is it. We can add up some kind of design or a tiny kind of element that will look beautiful. Maybe let's try to find these pencils, but there is no yellow in that. So yes, we have to find another one. These pens, there is one yellow pen, so yeah, it will look nice. We can put these pens on the corner of the page. This is another design that's ready. Now one last design, go duplicate it, and this time I will go with something. Let's go to the elements. Oh, first you have to select your background color. This time I'm going to select maybe a purple color. Yeah, purple color also looks beautiful. So we are going to the purple color, or we can go like this. We can make it a little lighter. Okay. Yes, this one is beautiful. Now go back to the elements. In the school, let's go and find out something purple. And we can go down, down, down. Okay. Sometimes it can happen that you like the element and then, oh, this is amazing. I would go with this element, but for this, I need to change my background color. So this element, when sometimes it can happen that you like an element, so you have to change the color for that. This one needs to be a little lighter. Let's make it lighter. Yeah, that's just completely fine. Well done. Now go back to the elements and let's find out some tiny elements to add up on the corners. Go to see all and go down, go down. Oh, this is beautiful, but this is a pro. You have to subscribe, take the subscription to have these flowers we can add up. This looks cute. Here we go. And something that can help in writing, maybe colors or a ruler or some kind of stationery which can be suitable with the theme. So yes, we have to find out, go down, go down, go down. This color maybe, Yeah, it is going with the blue color background. So here we go, or maybe you can have two colors. Yes, this one is nice. We can add up some tiny colors on one side. That's it. These are the beautiful book labels that I have just designed, and maybe hardly it took 10 minutes to design them. So let's quickly have a look what we have done so far. Make it big. Okay, this is my latest design. Let's go back, see others. This is a school bus design. This is book design. This one is another book design. This is a school bag design. And this is a bee design. So I have made 6 designs in only 10 minutes. I hope that you like the video and you have an idea about making the book labels now. Stay tuned, stay connected. We will be coming up with more creativity on Canva. Bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. One more thing, if you need these labels, so I am putting the link of my Pinterest.